Welcome to your happy yoga time. We're going to stretch, breathe, and move our bodies through a series of animal and hero shapes that help reset your focus and wake up your muscles. To get started, you'll need to check off 3 things in your environment: a clear area on the floor, loose clothing, and bare feet. Keeping your feet bare is essential for safety. It gives your body a structural grip against the floor, allowing you to move through the poses without sliding. This sequence is a repeatable daily system. Use it whenever you need to clear your mind and bring new energy to your body. By securing your space and meeting these physical requirements now, you can focus entirely on the routine without worrying about distractions or injury. First, let's establish your vertical range of motion. Throw your arms high toward the sky, then bend all the way down toward the floor. This diagram shows the sunshine warm-up breathing mechanic. Follow the circle. Take a deep breath in to fill your lungs. Deepening your breath oxygenates muscles. Let it out nice and slow to actively push tension out of your body. Now shake your entire body out. Start at the head and let the movement ripple down to your toes to loosen your muscles. Pairing that deliberate breath with a full body shake creates a physiological glow. Your body is now warm and loose enough to safely transition to the floor sequence. Carefully lower yourself down to the floor until you are laying perfectly flat on your back. For starfish pose, look at these 4 core stretch points. Reach your arms and legs as wide as possible to open up your midline. Pull your limbs back in and flip onto your hands and knees for the next movement. This is the cat and cow sequence. Follow the arrows. Arch your back upward toward the ceiling, then drop your belly down toward the floor to flex your spine. Keep this movement very slow and sleepy. Rushing through the flex is a common mistake that prevents the spine from fully elongating. Sit back on your heels for lion pose. Stretch your facial muscles by making a silly face and letting out a roar. These floor shapes have opened up your midline and woken up your spine. With your core engaged and your back elongated, you have the physical preparation needed to stand up and test your balance. Return to a standing position. Place your hands on your hips to help establish a steady center of gravity. We will now move into flamingo pose. Shift your weight to one side and lift your other foot completely off the floor. If you feel yourself wobbling, do not worry. This is how your muscles learn to find their equilibrium. If you start to tip, use this override. Follow the dotted line and tap your toe on the floor. It's an immediate way to regain your footing without stopping the pose. Bring both feet flat to the floor to begin your cooldown. Move your hands from your hips and hold them at the center of your chest. Open your arms wide like bird wings. Reach back as far as possible to give your chest room for one last deep breath. Take a final, deliberate inhale and then let it all out. This specific exhale tells your heart rate it's time to slow down. Matching the magic wings movement to your breathing forces your nervous system to transition from active work into a state of calm focus. You've finished the flow. You moved through every stretch, roar, and balance in the sequence. Take a second to check in with how you feel. Your muscles should feel loose, and your mind should feel clear. Try to go through this exact 5-minute sequence every morning. It's a reliable way to start your day with a smile. By repeating this loop of stretching and breathing, you give your body and mind a healthy start every single day. Great job, and I'll see you next time.